This is Alampal Jackie from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering. My roll number is 2095182105. I am going to explain about the matrix as transformation, which is related to linear algebraic calculus. In linear transformations can be represented by the matrix if T is the linear transformed mapping Rn to Rm, R power n to R power m, and X is in a column vector with n indices, then T of X equals to A into X for some m cross n matrix A called the transformed matrix of A. It's also a citizen needed. Notes that A has m rows and n columns where the transformation T is from R power n to R power m. There are alternative expressions for the transformation matrices involving the row vectors that are preferred by some authors. If one has a linear transformation T of X in functional form, it is easy to determine the transformation matrix A by the transforming each of the vector of the standard basis by the T, then intersecting the result into the column of the matrix. In other words, A equals to T of E1, T of E2. For example, the function T of X equals to phi of X is in a linear transformation. Apply the above process. Reveals that T of X equals to 5x equal to 5I into X. We know that I is identity vector. We can written as 1 0 0 1. The matrix representation of the vectors and the operators depends on the choice based. A similar matrix will result from an alternative basis. This method to find the components remain in the same. The matrix representation of the vectors and the operation depends on the choice basis. A similar matrix will result from an alternative basis. Nevertheless, the method to find the components remain the same. To elaborate, the vectors A can be represented in the basis of vectors equals to E1, E2, En, so on to En. A of P equals to E1, E1 plus V2, E2. You can write in a summation form. Now the expression the result of the transformation matrix A upon B in the given basis. Rotation for rotation by an angle theta clockwise about the origin. Functional form x dash equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta and y dash equals to minus x cos theta plus y cos theta. In matrix form, this becomes in the matrix form x dash y dash equals to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta into xy. Similar for the rotation of counterclockwise about the origin. The function form x dash equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta and y dash equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. The matrix form x dash y dash equals to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into xy. Those formulas assume that x axis points right and y axis point up. Thank you for this opportunity.